So this segment is called Social Media Mix Up. Another one of our Jamaican artists is added again on social media. Honestly, me like the bit of mix up sometime, but that one of the, it's wearing me out. It's wearing me thin. Okay, especially since the woman them always in a mix up. Why the woman them just always in? Why we love mix up so? When you can't make the mix up pass, when you can't be the bigger person and just say, me a brush that off of my shoulder, me a walk away. Let me top chat here, because I'm not one of those person who can brush that off of my shoulder and walk away when people test me. They'll send for me and they say, send for you. That's what I think. But Vanessa Bling and Clymaxx in a mix up, me dear. They're throwing shots at each other, make this song and all these things. So, if you want to hear my thoughts and opinions, keep on watching this video. Yes, my dear. So, words have been thrown on social media, Instagram particularly, from Clymaxx and Vanessa Bling. They make video, they fling money and all these things. And the starting point for this beef has been, Clymaxx said both her and Vanessa Bling, whoever, they were booked for a gig, and Vanessa Bling went up on stage and said she had the best and the baddest in a duo Jamaica, and Clymaxx said that's her catchphrase, that's her punchline, that's her little slang that she always uses on stage, and she felt some type of way about it. And Vanessa Bling, no, that's her catchphrase, that's her slang and all that. Honestly, really only war about catchphrase and slang. Look how much catchphrase and slang there in the world. Really? But I'm gonna insert all the videos, all the dashboard, everything when we can find on Instagram in this video, so you guys can actually see what I'm talking about out of the artist.
Lyrics are spit like a captive way you breathe. Me take the lead and tell the midget them to leave. Best believe, me flow them sicker than a patient way I weave. Some girls say them lyrical and faker than synthetic weave. Me bust them head, marrow spread like a disease. Metaphors and similes, rhymes are tighter than the jeans. They hear my name so you know the something P. Tell my student them to calculate my speech. Find the answer for the maths with my teeth. Some people say me supernatural, some fool no meet collateral, and chew me smooth them carry news and say me have a lot of gal link in my skin, the link in my thing. Me live for everything, so from them this me go for care make she sing. Lyrics beat them like a child but misbehave, but them no brave cause them would end up in a grave. I know them can't fuck up a seat. Some people know them only suck cocky for gain. Lyrical genius, tell them say me nah go talk again. One. But make me talk, I'm going to respond to one vex after that. I Clymaxx my name, I'm going to go at them. Well, lad, me not see nothing a bling, boy, you seem like say the lights them did burn out a good pussy girl. Time for come out the dance, say your body wants sun out something, boy, you dead like you pronounce. Right, up on her go, cause she bad with her teeth and her tongue, make get in your cranium, no bother run, can make a disciples before me rise my gun. That I come know my body ready. So no feel me come for chase, cause I'm a scatterga berry. If you try to misbehave and wanna think it necessary, pussy suck your mother straight up your batted. Even act like when I'm split them with my blades, and now pop it with my right hand. Only gonna clap a gun a rear when you catch it from the white man. You feel like could have style done? Say me are the baddest in the island where your talent, come still no feel a fine one. Go hide, man.
My money stack up, it pile. It's up, it's you can go check my file. No for them to check this big from a style, but don't give a fuck, I'm a lift them behind.
Somebody say cranium, invoke it and duck it and say you're more deep like a bucket. Somebody say cranium, invoke it and duck it and say you're more deep like a bucket. Somebody say cranium.
The teacher look at her outfit is sick. It's so sad to see someone that I never met in person, that I never met or know will go over hills and valleys to diss me to get attention. So here it is. Good luck on your journey. You actually have talent. Hope you get a hit out of this. Stay strong, sis. Your time will come soon. Big up yourself, Gaza Slim. Big up yourself.
That's how the whole everything transpired on Instagram, because I've been watching this story constantly just blossom from liquor 15 it like forward to now it's like a big. Honestly, as far as lyrics is concerned, I feel like Clymaxx have an upper hand as far as Vanessa Bling is concerned, because I feel like Clymaxx is a lyricist. I feel like Vanessa Bling is more of a sing J like Movado. I feel like it's like a clash between Movado and Vybz Kartel all over again as far as this feud and beef is concerned. But honestly, I'm all for woman empowerment. Me not in the foolishness, me not in the heap of mix up. I don't like it. It's fun and all to talk about here on YouTube, and it's comedic and it's interesting, but as far as personally I'm concerned, I don't like it, because I like women to be empowered by each other. I like women to be inspired by each other, and this not do nothing more than put dancehall music in a bad light, because this only shows that even the women in dancehall that are supposed to be nurturing and giving and caring creatures, all them want to do a fight and beef and all these things. But there's also a plot twist to this, that people are saying this is just to also get Vanessa Bling name in the media again, and Clymaxx in there, so they can have like more gigs and more bookings, and they can go on interviews, go talk about the beef, and them can make this song. And as you guys know, as long as them let out these songs for each other or anything, the media is gonna talk. Especially we here on YouTube, we're gonna talk about it. We're gonna review the songs. We're just gonna talk about it basically, because it's what we do, and that's what our audience like to see. So anyways, that's the plot twist to it. It can be a real beef and it can be a fake beef. It can be a publicity stunt. So it can be a bag of things, but honestly I don't care for it. It's not really my thing. If it do the heap of beef BS. But I realized that my fan base and my audience kind of like what I say about it, so I always like to give my audience what they like to see from me, because that's what I'm here for. You guys ask and I give. So that's my thoughts and opinions. Me feel like it's another Vybz Kartel against Movado clash. I mean, I know who a Vybz Kartel, I mean, I know who a Movado, because me just don't know who a Vybz Kartel and who a Movado. I feel like it's an even fight. I feel like whoever goes in first goes in for the kill. It's gonna be on and popping, and I'm here to watch and I'm here to give you guys updates. But comment in the comment section and tell me who you think is Movado in this beef and who you think is Kartel in this beef, because it's basically the same thing but the woman version. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, this one right here. I'm a part of here, man. Deuce.